welcome to Modern Mining. Today we are chatting to Dave Hans and Henry Powling from FUCHS Lubricants, South Africa. How is FUCHS positioning itself to support the evolving needs of the mining and industrial sectors in South Africa?
So I feel the first step is to really talk to our customers, understand their needs, understand the direction they want to go in, so that we understand where we need to support them. I think then also our relationship with OEMs is critical, understanding what technologies they bring to support these customers. How do we align with these OEMs? What technologies, what changes do we need to make from a product perspective? And then also assessing our support team, service and sales, making sure that we can meet the customer's needs from a particularly service perspective. Service is very important to FUCHS, and how we manage our service levels to our clients, making sure taking their businesses operating is critical. So I think, again, it's critical to talk to the customer, understand where they want to go, and align ourselves to them.
So how does FUCHS differentiate itself from competitors in terms of technology, service, and long-term value for customers?
I think they give that. So, the mining division has a long-standing tradition of putting service above everything else. It's one of the lubricant companies that will be amazed. The ratio to sales and the ratio to service personnel, or what we call lube service technician, is very different to what you would find in other typical type companies. I would say we're at least about 15 to 1 for everyone as sales. Well, we don't like to call ourselves salespeople. We are account managers. There will be at least 15 service technicians. So service is above 4. We've been doing it for 30 years, service, and we understand it, understand mining conditions. Most of the team in mining comes from the mining sector.
And how does FUCHS collaborate with mining operators to tailor solutions for harsh and demanding environments?
That comes back again to our application engineers, our sales team, really talking to not just procurement, really getting involved in the operations side of the audits as well, talking to those operators, understanding pain points, doing R&D, taking that finding back to our R&D specialists, looking at developing solutions for specific calendars and MIFAs, whether it's interval extension, whether it's tool up extension, whatever it might be. Really listen to those operators to find what we can.
So which countries does FUCHS Lubricants South Africa and FUCHS Africa cater to?
All the African countries in sub-Saharan Africa. We try to get as close to those customers in the mining sector in all of those countries. Not always easy, but I think FUCHS Mining Africa has got it quite well sewn up. We have the limit and service to the most far-flung places in Africa. When we look at country, we supply to countries as far as Mauritania, to mines in the middle of the DRC, any West Africa. We get it back. It's not always easy, but I think we're one of the companies that sometimes you can supply products, but you supply products with service, the art on it. So I think we got it well sewed up. So I would say sub-Saharan, just any country that needs us.
You just add to that. So we're very well positioned in Southern Africa. Southern Africa is our hub. We've got joint ventures and distributors very well set up throughout Southern Africa. East Africa, the same. Tanzania, Kenya, supporting the East African region. And then going to West Africa is where we're really starting to penetrate at the moment. Again, mining is a core competency of FUCHS, South Africa and FUCHS Africa. And West Africa focus is a new focus for us, but developing quickly. So I think Sub-Saharan Africa coverage is, as they've said, very clear, and focus on growth in Sub-Saharan Africa.
Thank you so much, Andy. Thank you, Dave, for chatting with us.
Thank you.